When you think of New Orleans, family-friendly may not be the first thing that comes to mind. However, New Orleans can actually be a wonderland for kids. And one of the top places to explore that is the Louisiana Children's Museum. Come on, let's check it out. After spending several decades on Julia Street in the Arts District, the Louisiana Children's Museum made the leap to City Park, where, as you can see, sometimes bigger is better. The new Louisiana Children's Museum sits on 8.5 acres of land here in beautiful City Park. There's so much to do outside here, from this wonderful play area to the floating classroom to the edible schoolyard. And then indoors, there's 2 floors of interactive exhibits that focus on education and fun. A few favorites. There's this replica of the Mississippi River that's over 100 feet long, and it's full of fun activities to play with. Or try the toddler scale food exhibit, because you're never too young to learn about making groceries. Then there's this really cool bubble machine. Or there's the jamming house, an entire room full of musical instruments just for you to play with. And this beautiful playhouse, modeled on classic New Orleans architecture. We haven't even touched the service yet, but there's so much to do. Take my word for it, this place is awesome. Getting hungry? Grab a bite at Acorn, run by New Orleans native Dickie Brennan, and choose from a wide array of breakfast and lunch dishes, which will please even the pickiest of toddlers. This museum is a perfect addition to an already special place in New Orleans City Park. This sprawling outdoor space has everything from beignets to mini golf, train rides, a sculpture garden, and so much more. So while you're here, you might as well just make a day out of it. For GoNOLA TV, I'm Fresh Johnson. See you next time.